Should I delete old videos? This YouTube channel has now existed for around about 6-7 years. And as a YouTube consultant, I'm asked often by my clients, should I delete my old videos? It's a fairly complex question, so I'll break it down for you. The idea is that if you delete your older videos, then it will push more traffic towards your newer videos. Or if you delete your old videos that are kind of cringy, then you can kind of make it look like that you was always the polished YouTuber that you have become. There are reasons to delete YouTube videos. I tend to find that I will suggest deleting YouTube videos if they are old, out of date, and spewing irrelevant information. In other words, on my channel, I've got 1,000 YouTube tutorials. And because I've made them over the last 5, 6, 7 years, some of them are completely pointless now. And when I say pointless, I don't mean that the message within the video is irrelevant. What I mean is that the UI, how the website looks, may have changed. So it may be a video how you can add subtitles to YouTube videos, but when you click on subtitles, the whole subtitle page has now changed and you can't add subtitles to other people's videos anymore, but the tutorial may still exist. That would be a reason for me to remove that video, in my opinion. Would I delete it? No, I'd probably just place it unlisted. If, however, I did a video about that cold and flu thing that we had in 2020, and I went hard in on one side or the other, expressing how masks are pointless or whatever, that may harm my brand in the long run. That may be divisive, that may be getting attention from the wrong people, or it may be spreading harmful medical advice. And in that case, yes, I would delete a video. If, however, you are a vlogging channel and you've recorded your life for the last 5, 6, 7 years, and you're looking back at your first videos, and you're like, oh, they're old and they look weird and they sound wonky and I hadn't got used to the camera properly yet. I personally think that's part of the charm. If you're new to a vlogging channel, you're going to binge a lot of their content and you're going to go back and you're going to see how they've grown over time. I quite like seeing the value in people learning how to use a camera. I quite like seeing them grow up over time. I've been watching Philip DeFranco for, I don't know, 10, 15 years. And I like going back to his older content. Unfortunately, they've all been removed now. But I used to like going back and having trips down memory lane of seeing him in these black and white videos with a shark necklace. Now, if you get that reference, then you are OG. It's okay to be cringe. It's okay to show your travel, your journey. If the video is out of date and no longer useful, then delete it. But if you're thinking of deleting your old videos because you want to pivot or maybe do new videos on your channel, then consider not deleting, but maybe starting an entirely new channel for this new piece of content. I did a video on should I start a new channel? Check it out here and subscribe, and I'll teach you exactly how you can start a YouTube channel just like I did with my weight loss channel. Video coming soon.